Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit nodes and curves in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and come in the left hand panel and click on the node tool. And from here I want you to just select the line or shape you want to edit, and then what I need you to do is choose from any of these options. You can convert it to sharp and edit as such. You can also go ahead and convert to smooth, for example, and do that as well. So if I try to convert this one, for example, to smooth, that is how it would be. And of course you can go ahead and edit that as well. I'll do this one as well just so you can see this is smart, and you can also make edits accordingly. I'll also show you how to do this with geometric shapes. So you first want to click on that shape and you need to convert it to a curve. And the way you do that, you just come here and you click on this icon, it will convert it to curves. Then after that, you can choose any of these options and then begin editing. As you can see right here, you can also use these options as well. But that is how to edit nodes and curves in Affinity Studio.